Welcome guys, so today I am with Tozo T10 wireless earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. So at first you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50% before pairing. Right now just simply open the box with your earbuds. You will hear notification that they are turned on. And right now, when one of the indicators is blinking on the blue and the red, it means that they are in the pairing mode. So in the most cases, when you remove them from the case, they will be automatically in the pairing mode. The next step, we have to simply open the Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. Now just wait until they pops on the available devices list, click once, accept pairing request, and as you can see, we are successfully connected. Okay, but what you have to do when they are not in the pairing mode as default, automatically like in my case. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So at the first, let me just unpair them. And at the first, you have to turn them off. So click and hold these two earbuds. Okay, and right now when they are turned off, these indicators will blink on the red, and after that they will be turned off. So the next step, how to move them to the pairing mode manually, you have to click and hold these both earbuds one more time, keep holding still, and after that they will be in the pairing mode. So right now let's try to find them. Let's turn off the Bluetooth and turn it on back. As you can see right now, Tozo T10 pops on the list, so we can simply accept the pairing request. As you can see, we are connected. Okay guys, so that's how you can pair them automatically and manually. I hope that'll help you, and please remember to leave subscription on this channel, comments and likes.